This is how to set up products in your admin account. From the home screen, you can click on Administration, or you can go here to the drop-down, which is easier to see which items you have. I'm going to click on Product Configuration. This is a list of what is preloaded in your account. And you can delete any of these. If you don't sell Atlantis, you can delete the product. Busch Gardens, delete it. So you can tailor this for what you want and customize it for your agency. There is no AMA Waterways, so that's what I'm going to add today. Click New Product, I put in AMA Waterways, and then I can choose the display order that I want. The first few are the ones that we use the most often, and so they're assigned a number 1 through 8 up here. Or if you want it to go alphabetically, you're just going to put in 100. You're in the United States, you can choose your currency and hit Save. So here we have AMA Waterways. I'm going to click on it and I'm going to add destinations here and resort ships and cruise itineraries. Depending on what your product is here, depends on what you want to put here so it filters down. For instance, for Disney, I've got a list of the destinations. If I click on Disney Cruise Line, it shows the resort or the ships they have, and if I click on the Disney Fantasy, then this wasn't built out here. It will show the cruise itineraries, and so I can do that now. Eastern Caribbean, and then I will also make one for the Western Caribbean. So I'm going to go ahead and do the AMA Waterways, and because all of the different ships they use can go to different itineraries, I'm just going to leave this set at AMA Waterways. And so that will autofill when the agent clicks on AMA Waterways. It will show AMA Waterways, and then you can choose the resorts and ships. Right now I have an agent that has sold the Danube River, so we're going to concentrate on the Danube River. There are 4 ships that go there currently. The AMA Sonata, the AMA Viola, the AMA Cerdo, and the Amalaya. Now, because the Amalaya is the one that I'm concentrating on right now that my agent has sold, I'll go ahead and put that Danube River itinerary in here. But this allows you to do it as your agents sell things, so you don't have to add all of the ships at once or all of the cruise itineraries. But you can go in here for the Amalaya, add whatever itineraries. If you sell a lot of AMA Waterways, you can go in for AMA Viola, all of the ships they have, you can add them here. And that's how it works. Then when you go back to reservations, if you do a new reservation, then when you hit AMA Waterways, you will see it will come up with AMA Waterways. There's the different ships that we added, and then you can click on the itineraries that you list.